Here I have Samsung Galaxy On7 and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device, and let me show you how to bypass and remove pattern, password or other screen lock methods such as, for example, the fingerprint. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, tap restart and tap restart again. While your device is restarting, let's start holding power key, home button and volume up. Keep holding those three keys and release them as soon as Samsung Galaxy logo pops up. So that's it. All you needed to do is hold down power key, home button and volume up. Now let's just wait. As you can see, the recovery no command picture pops up, so now you have to start holding the power key, and while holding power, press volume up once. Alright, let's wait for the recovery mode. This is the Android system recovery mode. Here you may navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So let's scroll down to highlight wipe data factory reset and press power button to choose it. Scroll down to yes by using volume down to yes and press power key to confirm it. Right now the device is wiping data, formatting all personal stuff. As soon as Android system recovery mode pops up again on the screen, press power key to reboot system now. And the Samsung Galaxy On7 is restarting and rebooting. Let's wait until the whole operation will be completed. This may take a while, so let's just be patient. Excellent, as you can see, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset is done. So now you may start simply activate your device, and as you may also notice, there is no pattern or a password, so you can start easily use your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.